So in this video, you'll learn how to take measurements of your girl's gown dress. To take the measurement of your gown's chest, take the measuring tape around this section to measure it. To take the measurement of your waist, take the measuring tape around your waist section to measure it like this. To measure your hip line, take the measuring tape around your hip section to measure it like this. To measure your armhole, take the measuring tape around your armhole section to measure it like this. To take the measurement of your around arm, take the measuring tape around your bicep level to measure it like this. To take the measurement of your around elbow, take the measuring tape around your elbow level to measure it. To measure your sleeve length, place the tape on the tip of your shoulder and bring it downwards vertically towards the wrist for the required length. To take the measurement of your gown length, place the tape on the tip of your shoulder like this and draw it downwards to the required length of your gown. To take the measurement of your shoulder, place the tape on the tip of one shoulder and bring it across to the other.